Hello and welcome back to what's new in Android 13 Part 2. And we have a couple of great libraries to make our application more modern these days. And a little backstory, my first app API level was Jelly Bean. It was Jelly Bean. And to see how far Android has come to now, Android 13, it's pretty impressive. It is sad that actually Google Play service do not support Android versions below API level 19 anymore. However, that is not to say that I did not enjoy building it for you back in the days. So one thing that was really pretty interesting to me was when I built my fast Android application. This time I was just exploring. I was doing Java. I was working as a junior Java developer, just doing Java. And I remember looking into what I can do with my knowledge of Java, and I discovered that I could build more mobile applications and specifically targeting Android. And my first application was called Simple Math. And the idea was to just build this application that kids would play, and then they would tap on a particular, they would add simple numbers, and then whenever they would win, they would see like this particular good screen pop up and tell them, "Woo, good job." And I saw people rating my app and downloading my app. It got 500 downloads, and that was pretty impressive, and I was very happy about that. And that made me continue building for Android. And the funny thing is that the application had the MVC pattern for sure, and I did not know about navigation. We did not have any fragments, and if we did, maybe I didn't know they existed, but during that time I didn't know about any fragments. I did not use any dependency injections, and the database was SQLite for sure. But now, just to mention, with the Jetpack libraries, which may be used alone or in a combination to address different needs in your application, it's just amazing. Like, I have no words. Now we have the work manager for your background scheduling needs. We have Room, which actually harnesses the power of the SQLite, which is very easy to understand and to work with. We have navigation now to manage application navigation flow, and you can actually see this in your res folder, like how each and every screen is attached to the other, which is super amazing. Lifecycle is better handled now. We have media improvement, security improvement, performance and test. And if you worked with camera APIs, I've worked with a company that dealt with camera, and now the Camera X actually fixes many of the issues that we're seeing. And also the paging library that helps you load and display pages of data from a large data set from local storage or over any network, which is super impressive. So what I can say, my inspiration to write in this book is just seeing how far Android has come, and having built Android applications not professionally before, and being able not to go back and see how modernized it is, how easy it is to get started, how there's a lot of documentation to help you get started. It's amazing. And also, I'll not forget to mention the community. The community itself is very welcoming, very great, and very supportive. One thing though that I want to mention that of course I cannot forget to mention is that unfortunately I did lose my key for my first application, because if you lost the key, that was the end of the application. So I know many people did. I'm a victim. So that application was never updated. So if you lost your key, the only thing you could do is go back and build another one and actually have a different package, which I don't know if it was a good idea, but that's what happened, and that's what I did. I just had to stop building for that app because I lost the key and I can no longer recover it. But now I do have another application called Budgeting Buddy that I did back in 2018 when I won the Growth Google Scholarship. I saved that key because I learned a lesson. And actually, there's a better way also for managing that. Again, there's a lot that I've improved over the years, which is super amazing. So there's better ways to keep in that key now. Even if you lost it, you're able to recover it, I think. And then it's easier now to just go back in your Play Store and then see your packages. And now I'm able to update my app. My app has 10,000 downloads, but I'm also excited for my book. So please go check it out and grab it. It's available to pre-order, and please go check it out and let me know what you think. Thank you very much.